of Africa for Groundwater Resilience Project is about impacting the community around this area, and the project is in component form. So we have component 1, component 2, and component 3. So we are here to discuss component 1 and component 2. So in component 1, we are going to handle the issues of nature-based solutions to improve livelihood of the community, to develop nature-based solutions that will also even enhance the management in this area. So we are working in 5 counties in the borderland. That's Turkana, Marsabit, Wenji, Garissa, and Mandera. So under Marsabit, the area will study 3 aquifers, 2 under the government of Kenya and 1 under IGAD. So under the government of Kenya, we'll study Waldarawana and Logologoshur, while under IGAD we'll handle the basement, northern basement between Kenya and Ethiopia that covers Marsabit and Wenji. And so the main aim of this is to understand and to characterize this aquifer so we can know the volume available and plan for it. So we'll have management plan to ensure.
As you very well know, Marsabit County is one of the Frontier Counties Development Council members. And these counties are normally very dry and have got serious water challenges. You very well know how many livestock we lost only better part of last year, where we roughly lost over 80% of livestock, majorly because of water. This challenge of water is historical. In the past, a few boreholes have been done, scattered around the county. And since the onset of devolution, we have been able to do a few more, but because of the resource challenges, we've not been able to do what we really ought to have done. Apart from the underground water that we are talking about.